So now we'll be making our doors. So we'll be first making doors here. Now take line command from here, give 3 feet distance. So as you can see, if we make our door here, the door is almost touching that wall, so we need to make this wall little longer. It is this. To do that, we just stretch, select object, press space, sorry, select object, take stretch command, take a point, and let's say we will take around 10 inches. Now let's make our door. So take line command again, take this midpoint, give 3 feet distance, and let's say our door thickness is like 2.5 inches. Okay. Now we will use arc. Select first point, select second point, and click this reference point. It is not showing here. It should show here. So this is the point we want. Okay, it's not showing. So what we will do? We will make a line from here and here. And now use our command. Select first point, second point, and click here. This is all. Okay, now delete this line. Okay, now we need to make a layer called doors. We will take this dark red color and this color and make door layers current and select these objects and save it to door layer. Now our door is complete. So now same door will be here as, let's check, keep the distance as same. Now it's 3 feet, so we can put this door here. So what we will do, we will not making that door again, so we will just copy this door from here and here. Okay, first select objects, type CEO for copy, take any point and here. So as you can see, we have to rotate our door to place that door in here. To do that, what we use, okay, we had done a mistake. This portion is not in door layer. So okay, now what we'll do, we will rotate this. Rotate any object, click on rotate command, take any point and like this. So I think we have done some mistakes. Select again, rotate. Okay, we are not selecting that object actually. That's the problem. Now rotate, for rotate RO, leave rotation angle, and this is the angle we want our door. So select object again, press for move, type AM, enter, select this point and place here. Now our door is done. Same door will be here, so we will just copy this, copy, and we will take this point as it is and this point. Okay, now one door remains, that is here. That is our main door. As this is our open veranda, this will be our main door. So first let's check this distance. As you can see, our main door is larger, that is 4 feet long. So let's start building. Line command, take 3 feet, sorry, my mistake, 4 feet, 2.5 inches, and connect with it. Now let's make a reference line for let's take our arc, choose first point, second point, and click here. And now delete this line. Now our door is completed. Okay. Here we have another door, but this will be our garage door. So this will be our shuttering door. So what we will do, we will make some lines to connect those points to show this is a shutter. So this is our shutter door, and also this will be our indoor layer. Now let's make our windows. First make a layer called windows. So windows. Took any color here. I will take, suppose I will take this color. Okay. Also make a layer called chaza. And took some color reference. This made wall layer, windows layer current. Now, so we need to build windows here, here, also here, and this portion and this portion and this portion. Okay, now let's make. So what we will do, take line command, take this midpoint and make a line. Now offset this line 2 feet both sides. So as our wall will be 4 feet, so take offset here, delete this line. Now make a line in between and offset it by 1.2 inches both sides. Okay. And now make the charges layer current and make our charges. Take line command. For charges will take like 6 inches, and our charges will be 1 feet 5 inches long. So what we do, we will do this line, we will mirror this portion over there. Choose this two line, take mirror command, take the midpoint and direction. So it says erase source objects. We said no because we need to both objects. Okay. Now just connect these lines with them. So this is how our charges has been made. So actually we will use these windows here. So we just copy this. Select these lines. Okay, there is one mistake. We don't need these lines, so delete these lines. So select this. First we will put here, copy, take midpoint and place here in midpoint. Also we need to put here, so let's place in here. We need to rotate this for window, so rotate arrow, and now copy this and take this midpoint like this. This reference point helps you to put it perfectly in this one and this. Also this is here. No, I don't need any walls or windows in garage, so we'll leave it there. Now we'll put windows here and here, so we need to rotate it again. rotate RO, and our rotation is done. Now copy this same way, take the reference point from this line and from this line like this, and place it here, place it somewhere here. So as you can see, it is not showing any points in between. Okay, so this is the midpoint, and also here. Now our windows are completed. As you can see, our colors is little invisible, so we need to change our colors of windows. So window color is little dark, so we need to take some light colors so that is visible. Now I think it's okay. Now okay, as you can see, all the colors of windows has been changed. So as you can see, our doors and windows has been done.